Your Excellency, Cambodia Saamrajya के प्रधानमंत्री
the Prime Minister, Mr. Hun Sen of the Empire of Cambodia,
सम्मानित सदस्य,
all the honorable members of his delegation,
माननीय अतिथि,
eminent guests, friends
media,
from the media,
देवी और सज्जनों,
ladies
नमस्कार।
and gentlemen, good morning.
प्रधानमंत्री हुन सेन का एक बार फिर स्वागत
Once
करते हुए
again, I am very pleased to welcome Prime Minister Hun Sen to India.
उनकी यह स्टेट विजिट
This state visit of his
10 वर्ष के
is
अंतराल के
taking
बाद,
place after a gap of 10 years.
यद्यपि प्रधानमंत्री जी
However, Prime Minister,
आप स्वयं
you yourself
भारत से भली भांति परिचित
know
हैं
India very well,
और भारत भी
and India
आपसे परिचित है।
knows you well as well.
मुझे विश्वास
I
है
am sure
कि इस यात्रा के दौरान
that this visit
आपको भारत की आर्थिक प्रगति और
has been
सामाजिक
a good
परिवर्तनों को
opportunity for you
नजदीक से
to
देखने का
very closely see the economic and social changes that have been taken place in India.
2 दिन पहले
2 days ago,
हमने आसियान इंडिया
during the ASEAN-India Commemorative Summit,
आसियान भारत सहयोग पर
we had
विस्तार से चर्चा की।
extensive talks on
भारत
ASEAN-India
और 10 आसियान
cooperation.
देशों के नेताओं ने
India and the leaders of 10 ASEAN countries took some important decisions
भारत और आसियान
so
का
that
सहयोग
ASEAN-India cooperation can, in the years to come, reach new heights.
इस संबंध में
In this context,
प्रधानमंत्री हुन सेन ने
Prime Minister Hun
मेरे
Sen
निमंत्रण को स्वीकार कर
has honored us
समिट में
by
उपस्थित होकर
accepting my invitation and by coming to the summit.
यही नहीं,
Not just this,
उन्होंने समिट के दौरान
during the summit,
विचार विमर्श और उसके निर्णयों में
he made a valuable contribution to the decisions and discussions that took place during the summit, and for this I convey to him my heartfelt thanks.
भारत
Friends,
कंबोडिया के पुरातन काल के ऐतिहासिक संबंध
India and Cambodia's ancient relations and historic relations have further been strengthened during the latter half of the last century, when during the political changes that were taking place in Cambodia,
और उसके नागरिकों के साथ
India stood shoulder to shoulder with its old friend and with its citizens.
प्रधानमंत्री हुन सेन
Prime Minister Hun Sen
और मैं
and myself,
इस बात पर सहमत है
we agree on the
कि
fact
समसामयिक विषयों
that based on current needs,
आज हमें अपने
we need to
हर क्षेत्र में
further deepen our relations in all fields.
भारत कंबोडिया
India
के साथ
is
अपनी साझेदारी को
not only ready
आर्थिक
but
सामाजिक
committed
विकास,
to increase our cooperation with Cambodia in lots of fields. For example, economic and social development, capacity building, culture, trade, tourism, and also
जैसे सभी क्षेत्रों में
the
बढ़ाने
people-to-people links.
हमारे सांस्कृतिक संबंधों में
Our
हमारी
common
साझेदारी
cultural
का
heritage
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है।
is a very important part of our shared heritage.
ऐतिहासिक अंकोर वाट मंदिर का restoration,
The restoration of the Angkor Wat, the historic Angkor Wat, which was built in the 12th century, this is a very good example of our cooperation. We are very pleased to be able to contribute to
योगदान कर सकें।
the
हमारी भाषाएं भी
protection and conservation of the cultural heritage of Cambodia. Our languages both originate in Pali and the Sanskrit languages. It is a matter of great happiness for us that our historical and cultural relations have very deep roots, and therefore to increase mutual tourism there are numerous possibilities. Friends,
भारत के लिए यह
for
खुशी की
India,
बात है
it is a matter of great
कि
happiness
हमारे मित्र देश
that
कंबोडिया
Cambodia, a friend of ours, is undergoing rapid economic progress,
पिछले 2
and in the last 2 decades,
सालाना
it has achieved a 7% annual growth rate.
भारत दुनिया की सबसे तेज
India
गति से
is a country that is progressing at a very fast pace. Our economy is growing at a very fast pace because and our values and our culture are similar. Therefore, between both our countries,
व्यापार को बढ़ाने में
increasing
एक
trade
स्वाभाविक सिनर्जी
is a natural synergy for both of us.
कंबोडिया की लिबरल इकोनॉमिक
The liberal economic policies of Cambodia and the establishment of the ASEAN Economic Community will bring forth a lot of good opportunities for investment from India, especially in the areas of health, medicines, information technology, agriculture, automobiles and auto components, textile, etc. In so many of these areas, there is opportunity for us to cooperate. I am confident that in the coming few years, the bilateral trade between our two countries will increase, and there will be more and more investors from India who will make a very useful presence of themselves in Cambodia. Friends, development cooperation is a very important and integral part of India-Cambodia relations. Social and economic development of Cambodia, India would like to be an important friend in this journey. We've been committed to it so far and will continue to be so. We have undertaken projects and we have also proposed certain lines of credit for projects which are as per the requirements of the Cambodian government, especially in areas of health connectivity and digital connectivity. Every year, India implements 5 quick impact projects in Cambodia. We have also decided to increase the number of these quick impact projects from 5 to 10. We have also established a project development fund with a corpus of 5 billion rupees, and this fund is going to be used to expand Indian industry and businesses and to make our supply chain cost effective. We are also going to establish a center of excellence in IT and IT-enabled services in Cambodia. India
Indian Technology and
is
Economic Cooperation Program में
a positive
कंबोडिया का सक्रिय साथी है।
friend of Cambodia in the area of Indian Technology and Economic Cooperation Program, which is more than 50 years old.
इस प्रोग्राम के द्वारा
More than
कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग की
1,000
हासिल की है।
Cambodians have undergone capacity building training programs under this program. In the future also, we will continue on this program and expand this as per the requirements of Cambodia. Friends, on international platforms also, both the countries have displayed very strong cooperation, and our relations have been that of trust in various regional and international platforms. We would like to further strengthen the current synergy that we have between our countries and will continue giving support to each other at international forums. In the end, I would like to thank His Excellency Prime Minister Hun Sen for his very unique friendship and honor that he has given as a guest by being here. I hope that his visit to India is going to be pleasant and memorable. And I assure you that in the coming years, India is ready for strengthening its ties with Cambodia so that our deep and traditional relations with Cambodia and the people of Cambodia is further strengthened. Once again, I would like to thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Cambodia to
Excellencies Narendra Modi, I'm truly pleased. Thanks. Encouraging wording. Which is for your friendship. It's true that
ខ្ញុំបានស្គាល់នាងតាំងពីពេលដែលខ្ញុំនៅមានវ័យ29ឆ្នាំ
29 years old.
ក្នុងឋានៈជាបាតយុរដ្ឋមន្ត្រីនិងជារដ្ឋមន្ត្រីការបរទេសនៅឆ្នាំ1981ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចនៅទីនេះគឺប្រពៃនេះគឺមានរយៈពេល37ឆ្នាំ
37 years already.
ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចនៅទីនេះ
I made the first visit here.
ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចលើការនិងទស្សនកិច្ចការងារជាច្រើន
Working visit,
ធ្វើឲ្យកិច្ចការប្រតិបត្តិការរវាងប្រទេសទាំងពីរ
cooperation with the countries,
និងមានការជួយទុកចិត្ត
and more trustworthy.
ប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្របានចងចាំ
History
ថាបានបញ្ជាក់គូបញ្ជាក់
underlines
ប្រជា
that
ជននាជាងព័ត៌មាន
Cambodia of more than million
បានប្រមការគ្រប់គ្រងឲ្យទូស្គាល់
and recognize
កម្ពុជានៅក្នុងកលៈទេសៈដ៏លំបាកបំផុតមិនต้องពុំរ
never
ក
get to decide the purpose.
គឺបានទទួលគឺជាប្រទេសប្រជាធិបតេយ្យបំផុត
Yes, democratic
ដែលបានទទួលស្គាល់កម្ពុជាតាមពីឆ្នាំ1981 ហើយតាមពីពេលនោះកម្ពុជាបានទទួលផលប្រយោជន៍ពីការផ្ដល់ជំនួយពីគម្រោងកិច្ចការប្រតិបត្តិការ
from the project
ហើយក្រុមហ៊ុន
cooperation
បាន
from
ផ្លាយ
human
ទៅ
resource
ជា
development.
មូលដ្ឋានគ្រោះគ្រងសម្រាប់
Solid foundation
លោកតាយកម្ពុជា
for the Cambodian
ส่วน
officers
បាននៅការបរិយាកាសឲ្យប្រជាជនមានរហូតដល់សប្តាហ៍
the job at home in Cambodia here
ខ្ញុំ
today.
សូមយកឱកាសនេះ
Take this
ជួយ
opportunity
ឡើងពួកនិងគ្រូសាស្ត្ររបស់រដ្ឋជារដ្ឋដែល
Excellencies Prime Minister Modi
តែបានជួយលើកយកទៅវិទ្យានេះក៏សំស្ប
deserve
តែមានការដំណើរការជួបប្រជុំគូសាវរី
ASEAN and India commemorative summit the
គោល
25th
ការជួបរួមរៀបចំ
the
សាវរី
celebration
របស់រដ្ឋាភិបាល
head of
របស់
state
អាស៊ាន
of
បាន
ASEAN
ចូលរួម
can also participate in the celebration of the 69 Republic of Cambodia and also
បានប្រកបការ
take
ជំ
an
នាញ
opportunity
រៀបទស្សនកិច្ច
adverse to the official
សា
visit
សម្រាប់គម្រោងកិច្ចការប្រតិបត្តិការនេះ
project of cooperation.
ខ្ញុំទៅជាមួយគណៈភាពជាមួយនឹង
Really
តំណាងរបស់ប្រសាទ
with this good
តែជាអតីតកាល
in the past,
រហូតដល់បច្ចុប្បន្ននៅសង្ឃឹមទៅលើដំណើរការ
better he did
នៅក្នុងការពិភាក្សាហើយយើងពិភាក្សាទៅជាមួយ
we discuss in
ហើយ
depth
ក៏ប្រកាសជួបទឹកចិត្ត
with
បានតាមនៃការព្រមនៅសារការសន្និដ្ឋានរបស់ព្រះ
signing of the agreement and MOU
ហើយដែលសង្ឃឹមថានៅក្នុងនេះគឺពួកយើងទៅនឹងជួយបាន
three
រក
would
ប្រកប
be implemented successfully.
ពួកជាការរៀបរៀងឃើញថា
Pleased to see
នៅ
that
ក្នុងជំនួបគឺវិធីអ្វីមិនក្រេក៏ដូចជាក្នុងជំនួប
as well as
ចំពោះនឹងវា
in
ជា
the sub
នៅ
between India
ការ
and
ផ្ដល់សម្បត្តិមួយការសិក្សាដែលអត់មានការពង្រឹងកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការ
strengthening
ជាមួយនឹង
cooperation
ប្រទេស
with ASEAN
តាម
countries.
សំខាន់នៃនយោបាយសកម្មភាពឆ្ពោះទៅគឺការ
Look his policies, act
កា
his
រជាសម្ប
policies.
ត្តិទទួលផលប្រយោជន៍
Cambodia also
ហើយ
benefit
សូម
from
ឲ្យ
his
ប្រជាជនដែលសាកល
I
មាន
can
តែ
also
ថា
stress to
ទស្សនកិច្ចរបស់ខ្ញុំលើកនេះ
my visit
ក៏បានរកឃើញចំណុចពិសេសមួយដែលយើងអាចនឹងមានលទ្ធភាពជួយដល់
Cambodia
ប្រជាជន
can help Cambodia
នៅក្នុងការប្រើបច្ចេកវិទ្យាបច្ចេកវិទ្
use
យា
IT
ក៏អនុស្សាវរីយ៍ទៅក្នុងការជួយនៅក្នុងវិស័យកសិកម្ម
help the agricultural
តែ
sector
ក៏
within
តែ
that
បានស្នើចំពោះដល់
request
ប្រជាជន
to
ឲ្យ
Excellencies Prime
ដែល
Minister
ផ្ដល់
so that
នៅគម្រោងជាអាជីពទៅក្នុងការ
priority
អភិវឌ្ឍកិច្ចការស สำหรับใครใช้ของการทำ
This is of the
สำ
soil.
หรับนี่คือชีวิตของแต่ยุคนี้เราไม่พบในการช่วยตลอดทางชีวิตการช่วยการเกษตรกรการชีวิต
Cambodian farmers
ส่วนบุคคลการวิสัยเกษตรกรและวิสัยเกษตรกรของการจุฬาภาษาศึกษาที่อยู่ในนี้
hope that Indian investors
มันได้ทำชีวิตการเกษตรในนี้เครื่องมือช่วยช่วย
and this
ที่
afternoon I
เป็น
will
การ
bring
ทำการจัดบุญช่วยนิ่งทุกข์สอนนี้ภาษาศึกษานี้ในการเรียนรู้การเกษตร
that
สำหรับ
area
เรา
of small Cambodia.
ขอบคุณนะสมมติมันเคยสร้างออกมาสร้างแต่ของเราต้องเคยสร้างออกมาการเรื่องปัญหาอันตรายชีวิต
In the
ปัญหา
international
ว่า
area,
ปัญหาอันตรายชีวิต
vision
ขอ
and
งเราของการที่สร้างที่สร้างออกมาสร้างการเชิญ
about the more
คือเรื่องข้อสร้างสมคิดก่อนที่นะครับชีวิตในการเข้า
Cambodian
ถึ
to
ง
peacekeeping version and
เรื่อง
Cambodian
การที่การในจุดตรงที่ ไว้ในช่วงสักครึ่งโรงช่าง
I
คือ
hope
ใครเรา
expecting
ที่เราใน
that exercise prime
ผู้
ministers
ทุกสมัครเป็นมีบริเวณอยากจะกลับมาเยือนตามผู้มีฝั่งของ
according to appropriate
โอทาคือผู้สมัครเป็นวายเราเมืองไทยมองมองโดยชุกเช่นในคริสตจักรของมาการแต่ที่
additional
จุดเสร็จ
success to our
คือชี
cooperation.
วิตเนี่ยมีลูกเนี่ยที่สุดยอดบอกการเรียนคือการเรียนที่
Indian
ไหน
tourists and investors to go to
ใน
Cambodia.
บอกที่เขาคุยกันในการทำงานที่เป็นความสำคัญของเราจะผูกแขนมันขนาดเราออกคนที่ถูกไปชิดช่วยกันในการช่วยชิดกันว่าในการเข้าถึง
Time to watch support to Cambodia. Thank you.